How to fix disabled Wi-Fi on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your phone. Click on Wi-Fi and network at the top. In Wi-Fi and network, click on Wi-Fi at the top. After that, simply try to open your Wi-Fi and turn it off again. Repeat this process for 3 times. After you have done that, simply click on settings like icon beside the Wi-Fi you're connected to. In here, click on forget and forget the Wi-Fi password. After that, simply log into the same Wi-Fi again and your problem will be fixed. And if it still does not fix your problem, go back to settings and click on search at the top right. And here, search for update. Go to system updates. In System Updates, click on System Updates again at the bottom and see if you have any update available on your phone. Sometimes not updating your phone may cause this problem. And this is how to fix disable Wi-Fi on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.